The 5-week lockdown that has come as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic have led to the use of virtual media as one resource that can be utilized as a tool to reach out to audiences. Artists from different genres have taken advantage of the use of technology to connect and communicate with their patrons. The coronavirus has brought disruptions and has impacted negatively to businesses, rather to small businesses. Now, Gracia Bampile is the CEO of the Haute Afrika fashion clothing house, and she joins us now via Skype to share with us about this period and how it has affected her and her clothing line. Gracia, very good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to Morning Live.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me today.
Now, it's day 31 of the lockdown. What has this period taught you as a small business person who is in the fashion industry?
I think it's taught me patience, definitely a lot of patience, and also knowing that you don't have control of everything. I think being an entrepreneur, at some point you start to think you control and you have an impact, but I think it's definitely humbled me in ways that I didn't see coming.
So what kind of strategy did you have to come up with, to keep in contact with your clients and keep your business afloat?
I had to boost my online sales and my online platform. I had to do a new website and also look for different ways of selling products that are not physical. So I had to post more pictures, and yeah, it's just now everything's online.
When you say posting projects or products that are not physical, what exactly do you mean? Which are those?
So I had to post dresses on their own, because before you would use models.
Okay.
And then I had to go back into archives and post old pictures just so I have more content, because I wasn't able to go out there and make the content.
Okay. So are you getting any feedback from your online presence?
Yes, I do. I did. I'm actually very surprised that it's not been a very bad month.
Wow.
From my prediction, I thought this month was going to be a difficult month, but it's not really as bad as I thought it was going to be.
And it totally, it caught you totally by surprise, the fact that there's so much reaction and feedback online. And going online, Gracia, has been one of the tools that has assisted to keep relevant to the markets. Is this perhaps what you'll be using going forward, that's post the lockdown?
I've always been online, but I had to be more online now. So before I was okay not posting in a week, I was like, it's okay. But now I have to post every day. So I think I'll just, I will increase my online presence, but I've always been online.
Okay, since then there is so much traction going on online, would you pay more attention to your physical business that is after the lockdown?
Yes, because as much as we have online clients, a lot of our clients want to come and try on the outfits and see the garment for themselves.
Right.
So you always have to pay attention to both of them.
Okay, so with this online, online presence that you've already decided to adopt, in terms of deliveries, how do you go about doing that?
So we haven't been able to do any deliveries because courier companies are only delivering essential items. However, our clients are very understanding, and since no one is going anywhere, they are ordering and waiting for the deliveries when the lockdown is over.
And to think that there's no timelines as to when the lockdown will be over. Are they patient? Are your clients patient?
Yes, surprisingly they are.
Okay. Now talk to us about the masks that you are creating. How has the response been so far?
It's been amazing. I think half of our sales this month came from masks. It's been.
We lost Gracia. Well, that was Gracia Bampile. She's the CEO of the Haute Afrika fashion clothing house, talking to us about her survival strategy as the country is currently on the lockdown following the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. And she says, surprisingly, her online presence hasn't been what she expected. It has been absolutely amazing. And and with regards to the patients, she says, surprisingly, most of her clients are very much patient. The fact that they are able to order online and then wait for the lockdown to be over, and heaven knows when that is, because next week we'll be starting on level 4 of the lockdown. So it's a slight difference from the level 5 that we're currently in. So we still wait to see when that would be. And as all the country's health authorities have been saying that it'll be determined by how we behave, about about our behavior and how we react and behave to the lockdown regulations. If we do stay at home, if we abide by these lockdown regulations, then we might progress to the next level, which is level 3. And we might even have to jump some levels. Or if you don't behave, if you don't abide by the regulations, then we might revert back to level 5, which is so frustrating for the millions of South Africans. So the most important thing is please stay at home. Take the necessary precautions, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds and use an alcohol-based sanitizer. And we cannot emphasize this enough. Please stay at home.